The world that we'll be learning today happens to everyone, more to some than others. In today's Master Azerbaijani word of the day, we have the word yorulmaq. Yo-rul-maq. Yorulmaq is to get tired, to become fatigued, to grow weary. Oof, I'm so tired. Let's see the phrases. To get tired after a long day, to become very fatigued, to grow weary gradually. Let's see. Uzun gün sonu yorulmak. Uzun gün, long day. Sonu, at the end of the. To get tired after a long day, meaning at the end of the long day you get tired, that's what it means. Uzun gün sonu yorulmak. Çok yorulmak. To get tired a lot or to become very fatigued. Tədricən yorulmaq. To grow weary gradually, to get tired gradually. Tədricən, gradually. Let's see some sentences. Uzun yolda tədricən yorulmaq normaldır. On a long trip, gradually getting tired is normal. See, you get excited and slowly get tired. That's the situation. Let's break it apart. Uzun yolda, on a long way or on a long trip. Tədricən yorulmaq, we already know, gradually getting tired. Normaldır is normal. Let's see another sentence. İşdən sonra çox yorulmaq təbiidir. Similar situation. After work, getting very tired is natural. Where your brain tired, if you're not doing physical work, if you're doing physical work, your body tired. This is all natural. That's what we are explaining here. Let's break it apart. İşdən sonra, after work. Çox yorulmaq, getting very tired. Təbiidir. Təbii is natural. Təbiidir is natural. Right? That was my way of using yorulmaq in Azerbaijani sentences. I have another one for you. That joke one probably. Let's see. My fitness plan is yorulmaq, halfway to the fridge. Thanks so much for watching. Come back tomorrow for another action word. Until then, check masterazerbaijani.com, where I post every 10 days. I'll see you tomorrow for a new word. Cheers.